Hello everyone, today I'm going to be discussing project 263-25186. This is Orbit Triage with IRC notification. Orbit graph queries surface the index relationship between your code and the history, and this flow allows pipeline failures to be automatically analyzed, assessed, and passed to the team through an IRC notification. You can also trigger the flow by tagging it in the MR comments. The first artifact is a Duo chat skill. The script itself is a tool that builds a context pack. You can point it at a function name, a class, or a file path, and it will use Orbit to find the definition of that symbol, its blast radius, or other files that import or depend on it, and any recent merge request activity touching those files. It also has a second mode where you give it an issue number and it will extract code identifiers from that issue's title and description. It also sends a brief notification to an IRC channel summarizing what it found. This script is designed to be run locally from the command line for testing and in GitLab Duo chat. Next, a Duo agent platform flow triggered automatically on pipeline failure. Two components. First, a deterministic step that runs triage.pygather. Graph queries are tested. The LLM's job is ranking and explaining and notifying. This is the report that it generates. As you can see, this is from a test that I pushed earlier. Triggered the agent to reason out the fail job, reason, branch, commit, author, and the project. And then at the end it just gives us a very thorough report. And as you see here, you can also tag it to run it in a merge request comment. The traversal core both tools depend on two relationship chains against the Orbit REST API. And everything else in this project calls into these two functions, one place where graph queries happen and one place to test.